Alright, good morning all. I am going to review question 37 from lesson 5.8 really quickly. Hannah requested this one, and I think your issue is probably coming in with how it's phrased. The phrasing of the question is kind of awkward, so I'm going to review exactly what the phrasing is, and actually once we cover that, you might be able to get it on your own. So it gives us this formula that the radius will equal the square root of the surface area divided by 4 pi. And we can actually work this backwards to figure out how they were able to do this, because this is discussing a sphere. So we actually know that the surface area of a sphere is 4 pi radius squared, and then we can work this backwards to get to this equation when we isolate the radius. But all that this is asking me is for these 3 different situations, what would the radius be if the surface area was this given value? So for A, we would set up that the radius is going to equal radical 1256 over 4 pi. We plug in 3.14 for pi like they told us to, evaluate what 4 times 3.14 is, divide that from 1256, and then take the square root. So 1256 divided by 4 times 3.14, putting that in parentheses to keep it grouped. That gives me 100, so then the square root of 100 is going to be 10, and because it was inches squared, I know that this is going to remain inches. So that is essentially how you solve each of those. So let me know if you're still having any struggles, but hopefully after working through it like that, this makes a little bit more sense for you.